guess trust is the most important.
Tsaka siguro, don't forget the love you have for each other. So, siguro, through all those tough times, just remember you still have each other.
Trust lang sa isa't isa yun. Tsaka wag silang papadalan dun sa mga intriga na binabato sa kanila. Kasi personal nila yun eh, dapat sila lang din yung umayos. Kasi kung magpapadala sila dun, bali, masisira lang yung relationship nila eh. Celebrities kasi sila eh. Hindi sila ganun hindi sila simpleng tao lang na basta-basta makikita mo dyan sa lansangan kaya ginagalang sila. So, dapat kaya nilang i-handle yun.
For long time marriage, siguro respect each other.
I guess they should trust God in the center of their marriage and trust themselves and love themselves and don't lose hope on each trials and challenges in their life because I know they are strong.
Tiwala lang kasi pagka wala kang tiwala sa sa isa't isa doon nagsisimula yung pag-iwalay ng asawa.
Kailangan mapasensyoso ang isa sa kanila. Sa mag-asawa kasi po, kailangan compatible po kayo sa isa't isa.
Trust. Because yun yung magiging foundation ng love nila.
Meron lang silang trust sa isa't isa at huwag sila magpa-apekto kung ano man yung mga salita or intriga kasi celebrity sila, royal family sila, may mga pinanghawakan silang name na dapat ingatan.
I don't think I'm in the position to talk about marriage because nagkakaroon ng relationship, but I think that trust is number one and God should be the center of your marriage. So I think that's an important ingredient to marriage success.